Aloha, I'm Darren Olson, Generational Master Beekeeper. Many people know flights of beer. As a foodie, I also enjoy having a pairing or a tasting. Who doesn't enjoy a great flight in order to enhance the senses? If you were here with me, I would start off with an amber honey, which has a rich flavor palate taste that is very distinct. When you do sample honeys, for example, instead of just being able to drink a glass of beer, some people will tell you to do specific things like breathe on it beforehand so that your nose can get some of the scents, because we also taste with our nose. So you may be able to breathe in order to get a smell of the richness of the honey so that it prepares you also for the taste. You can take something to sample the honey and dip it into the honey. My recommendation is to then scrape the honey onto your teeth so that you don't taste the object that you are sampling with. So you stick it into the honey and then taste the honey on your teeth as opposed to tasting it on the thing that you are using to scoop up the honey with. This honey, for example, is buckwheat. Another strong amber honey to taste is pumpkin. Both of these honeys that are amber have a huge profile taste. It's an overpowering taste versus a clover honey or light honey. Most of those honeys come from many different flowers but are lighter, and it's harder to taste one single flower. So our FDA calls this honey clover or light honey because it usually comes from many different flowers. Another honey is kiave, or what I have here, lehua blossom from the ohia tree. It is a creamier looking, vastly different honey from what we are used to in the supermarket stores, but it has a different profile. Most of this honey came from the lehua blossoms from the Big Island, and it is unique and very different. You still would take the honey, scrape it onto your teeth in order to taste it, and you will notice how different it is. The honeybees do not care where they get their nectar sources from, so they will get, for example, this beekeeper for 1 month